If you run a hospital, a clinic, a pharmacy, or a lab in Abu Dhabi, there's a cybersecurity standard sitting between you and your license to operate. And last year, it got serious upgrade. Most people haven't caught up to it. Let's get ahead of it. This is ADHICS, the Abu Dhabi Healthcare Information and Cybersecurity Standard issued by the Department of Health in Abu Dhabi. The thing makes it different from a lot of frameworks. It's mandatory, not optional. Version 2 came in effect in August 2024 and expanded the original 2019 standard significantly. It applies to every healthcare entity operating in Abu Dhabi: hospitals, clinics, pharmacies, labs, insurance, and increasingly the health tech vendors that plug into them. And it's tied to Malafi, Abu Dhabi's health information exchange that connects patients' records across providers. So your security posture affects a shared system, not just your own four walls. It matters because in healthcare, a cyber incident isn't just data loss, it's patient safety. If ransomware locks an emergency department system that lives, not spreadsheets, the regulator knows this is, which is why ADHICS is mandatory and why version 2 raises the bar. First, ADHICS is tiered. Your obligations scale to your size and risk from basic to advanced. So a small clinic and a major hospital are held not identical. The core controls: governance with a named information security officer and a security committee. The technical safeguards: multi-factor authentication, encryption, access control, third-party risk, and 3 big additions in version 2. Security for connected medical devices, the IOMT, governance over clinical AI systems, and a hard rule that qualifying breaches are reported within 72 hours. You evidence all of it through the DOH submission platform. So, where to start? First, work your tier. That tells you how deep you need to go. Then run a gap assessment against the version 2 controls of that tier. Don't overlook the 2 newest areas: medical devices and AI, because that's where most of the existing programs have nothing in place. And if you have done ISO 27001, you'll find a lot of overlap to build on. The hardest part in practice are the medical device security and being able to detect an incident, report inside 72 hours, and recover patient data clean. Exactly the kind of resilience work my team does. Want the ADHICS version 1-pager? Comment map and I will send it across to you. Next week, we come into the money where Central Bank UAE has its own framework. See you next Friday.